Astrological charts, also known as birth charts or natal charts, are essential tools in astrology. They are maps of the positions of the planets and other celestial bodies at the precise moment and location of a person's birth. Astrologers use these charts to analyze a person's personality, strengths, challenges, and life path. Each chart is unique to the individual, based on the date, time, and location of their birth. The positions of the planets and other celestial bodies at that time are plotted onto the chart, creating a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment the person was born. An astrological chart typically consists of a circle divided into 12 sections, each representing a different zodiac sign. The position of the sun, moon, and planets at the time of the person's birth is marked on the chart in their corresponding zodiac signs. Astrologers interpret the chart by analyzing the relationships between the planets, their placement in different signs, and the angles they form with each other. This analysis can reveal important information about the person's personality, strengths, and challenges, as well as their life path and potential future events. Overall, understanding the basics of astrological charts is crucial for anyone interested in astrology. These charts are powerful tools for self-discovery and can offer valuable insights into one's life and path. To create an accurate astrological chart, it is essential to know the exact time and location of the person's birth. This is because the positions of the planets and other celestial bodies at the time of birth determine the unique astrological makeup of an individual. The time of birth is particularly important because it determines the placement of the houses on the astrological chart. The houses represent different areas of a person's life, and the planets within each house have an impact on those areas. Without an accurate time of birth, the astrological chart may not accurately reflect the individual's personality, strengths, weaknesses, and life events. The location of birth is also crucial because it determines the specific latitude and longitude of the birthplace, which affects the position of the planets and the ascendant or rising sign. The ascendant sign is one of the most important parts of the astrological chart, as it represents the way an individual presents themselves to the world and their first impressions on others. The information about the time and location of birth can be found on the person's birth certificate or by asking family members. It is important to ensure that this information is as accurate as possible to create an insightful and personalized astrological chart. Without this essential information, the astrological chart would not be able to provide a meaningful interpretation of the individual's astrological makeup. Identifying the ascendant, also known as the rising sign, is a crucial step in creating an accurate astrological chart. The ascendant is determined by the zodiac sign that was rising on the eastern horizon at the exact time of a person's birth. It plays a significant role in shaping the person's outer personality, physical appearance, and how they are perceived by others. The ascendant is the starting point for creating an astrological chart, and it sets the tone for the rest of the chart. It is the first house of the chart, representing the person's self-image, personality, and behavior in social situations. The rising sign is the mask that a person wears when interacting with the world around them. It influences their demeanor, mannerisms, and overall disposition. The ascendant also has a significant impact on a person's physical appearance. It can affect the way a person carries themselves, their body type, and their facial features. For example, a person with a Leo ascendant may have a noticeable mane of hair or a strong jawline that is characteristic of the lion. In summary, the ascendant is an essential component of an astrological chart as it provides insight into a person's outward personality, physical appearance, and social behavior. Identifying the ascendant is the first step in creating an accurate chart that can help individuals understand themselves better and improve their lives. Create the chart. There are several websites and software programs that can generate an astrological chart based on the person's birth information. The chart will show the positions of the planets and other celestial bodies in the zodiac signs and astrological houses. The zodiac signs are an important part of astrology, and they can provide valuable insight into a person's personality, behavior, and life path. Each of the 12 signs is associated with specific personality traits, energies, and areas of life, and they can help people better understand themselves and others. In addition to the zodiac signs, each planet is also associated with a specific sign, and its placement in that sign can have a significant impact on a person's life. For example, if someone has their Venus, the planet of love and beauty, in the sign of Aries, the sign of independence and action, they may have a more impulsive approach to relationships and may struggle with commitment. Understanding the zodiac signs and their associated energies can also help people navigate different areas of life. For instance, if someone is a Taurus, the sign associated with finances and material possessions, they may have a natural talent for managing money and accumulating wealth. Overall, by understanding the zodiac signs and the planets associated with them, individuals can gain valuable insight into their own personalities and life paths, as well as those of others. It can help them make better decisions, navigate relationships and careers more effectively, and lead a more fulfilling life. Astrological houses are one of the fundamental concepts of astrology. They represent different areas of life and provide valuable insights into how the planets and other celestial bodies influence a person's experiences and opportunities. Each house is associated with a zodiac sign and has its unique characteristics. The 12 houses in astrology are named after the signs of the zodiac and are numbered from 1 to 12. The first house, also known as the ascendant or rising sign, represents the self-image, physical appearance, and first impressions. The second house is associated with personal values, possessions, and finances. The third house is related to communication, siblings, and short journeys. The fourth house, also known as the Imancoli or AC, represents the home, family, and roots. The fifth house is associated with creativity, self-expression, and romance. The sixth house is related to work, service, and health. The seventh house represents partnerships, marriage, and one-on-one relationships. The eighth house is associated with transformation, shared resources, and the mysteries of life and death. The ninth house is related to philosophy, higher education, and long-distance travel. The 10th house, also known as the Midheaven or MC, represents career, reputation, and public image. The 11th house is associated with social networks, friendships, and group activities. Finally, the 12th house is related to spirituality, hidden matters, and unconscious patterns. By understanding the astrological houses and their corresponding zodiac signs, we can gain a deeper understanding of the different areas of our lives and how they are influenced by the planets and other celestial bodies. This knowledge can help us make more informed decisions, navigate challenges, and maximize our opportunities for growth and fulfillment. As an astrologer, interpreting the aspects in an individual's birth chart is a crucial step in understanding their personality, strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. Aspects refer to the relationships between planets and other celestial bodies in the chart. Each aspect has its own unique energy that affects the individual's life in different ways. There are two types of aspects: harmonious and challenging. Harmonious aspects create a flow of positive energy between the planets involved. These aspects can indicate talents and strengths that come easily to the person. Challenging aspects, on the other hand, create tension and conflict between the planets involved. These aspects can indicate areas of struggle and challenge in the person's life, but they also offer opportunities for growth and transformation. The most important aspects in a birth chart are the conjunction, opposition, square, trine, and sextile. The conjunction occurs when two planets are in the same sign and degree, and it creates a powerful energy that can be positive or negative depending on the planets involved. The opposition occurs when two planets are in opposite signs and degrees, and it creates tension and polarity between the planets. The square occurs when two planets are 90 degrees apart and creates tension and conflict, but it also offers opportunities for growth and transformation. The trine occurs when two planets are 120 degrees apart and creates a flow of positive energy between the planets. The sextile occurs when two planets are 60 degrees apart and creates opportunities for growth and development. In summary, interpreting the aspects in an individual's birth chart is an essential step in understanding their unique personality, strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. The aspects provide valuable insights into the energy and dynamics of the planets in the chart and can help guide individuals towards living their best and most fulfilling life. When interpreting an astrological chart, it's crucial to remember that the chart is a comprehensive representation of a person's life path, energy, and potential. It's not a set-in-stone destiny or fate, but rather a guide for self-awareness, growth, and understanding. The chart's complexity and nuances should be taken into account, as each placement and aspect is interconnected and affects the others. It's important to approach the chart holistically and see how each piece fits into the larger puzzle. For example, a challenging aspect in one area of life may be balanced by a beneficial placement in another area. Additionally, the chart should be viewed as a tool for self-reflection and exploration. By understanding the energies and influences at play in their chart, individuals can gain insight into their strengths and weaknesses, as well as their potential for growth and development. Ultimately, an astrological chart is a dynamic representation of a person's unique energy and journey. It can serve as a powerful tool for self-discovery and empowerment, allowing individuals to make informed choices and live their best lives. Astrology is a complex and intricate subject, and interpreting astrological charts can be a daunting task for those who are not well versed in the language of astrology. While there are many resources available for interpreting astrological charts, seeking the guidance of a professional astrologer can be extremely helpful in individual needs and goals. They can help individuals identify their strengths and weaknesses, understand their relationships, career paths, and other areas of their lives influenced by the planets and other celestial bodies. Moreover, professional astrologers can provide clarity and guidance during times of uncertainty or difficult decisions. They can help individuals understand the cosmic forces at play and how they may be affecting their lives, as well as provide suggestions for how to navigate these forces in a way that aligns with the person's goals and desires. In summary, while there are many resources available for interpreting astrological charts, seeking the guidance of a professional astrologer can provide invaluable insights and guidance. A professional astrologer can help individuals gain a deeper understanding of their chart and how it affects their lives, as well as provide clarity and guidance during times of uncertainty or difficult decisions. In conclusion, astrological charts are powerful tools for understanding the unique energy and life path of an individual. By understanding the zodiac signs, astrological houses, aspects, and other factors that influence the chart, we can gain deeper insights into ourselves and our experiences, and work towards greater self-awareness, personal growth, and fulfillment.